Have you ever wondered how to make money in your sleep? Then you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. While it's been around since the internet's early days, recent trends in digital advertising have directed more interest towards it. Today, 81% of brands around the world have affiliate programs. It's not as simple as it sounds though. Running an effective affiliate marketing plan takes a whole lot to it. Luckily for you, there are numerous techniques to get you on track. In this video, I have made a list of affiliate marketing strategies to help you explore the most prudent way to take this approach and how you can make up to $3,000 per week by doing affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is an advertising model that allows affiliates to earn commission in exchange for promoting a company's products or services on their own platform. Affiliate marketing is prevalent through a wide range of channels, including blogs and social media. The end goal is to compel audiences to subscribe or to purchase the brand's product or service that the affiliate is promoting. Overall, affiliate marketing is great for boosting brand visibility, increasing reach, and growing your business. Here are a few strategies that can get you started. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Recession Money. Let's get started. Number 1, select the right affiliates. Word of mouth is still an effective marketing tool. Naturally, you'd want to look into potential affiliates who'd already have an engaged following that trust them. Remember that while numbers are important, engagement, report, authority, and page views should also factor into your decision making. Moreover, you should also gauge whether the audience would be interested in the product that you're selling. In other words, determine your niche and work with affiliates under the same field of interest or who have an audience that matches your specific target audience. If you're a tech company, you wouldn't want to choose an affiliate that specializes in pet products. If you don't know where to begin, you can always use influencer marketing platforms to help you discover and recruit high-ranking affiliates. Number 2, optimize your platforms. While your army of affiliates can direct traffic to your site, your main goal should be conversion. That is, when landers visit your page, they should be engaged enough to take action, whether that's to purchase a product or sign up to your newsletter. Conversion optimization creates a great user experience, which increases leads and traffic to your website. Other optimization strategies to boost conversion include creating video information, sending personalized email messages, using intent-based keywords on all your website pages, developing targeted landing pages, producing highly relevant content or updating previous ones. Number 3, diversify your affiliate program. In finance, investors diversify their investment portfolio to reduce risk. It's the same thing with diversifying your affiliate program. Relying on 1 or 2 affiliates is a great start, but it might not always be sustainable in the long run. To truly maximize your program potential, diversify affiliate program is the way to go. It can also help you tap into new audiences and create future opportunities. Here are a few tips to help you diversify your affiliate programs. 1. Do your research on potential affiliates and establish a relationship with them on their own platforms. Time your recruitment and review your affiliate mix every quarter. 2. Provide a marketing strategy for each type of affiliate. Consider which campaigns would be relevant and productive for each type and define a target ROI. 3. Explore more opportunities with your successful marketing campaigns. If the campaign has performed consistently well within a set timeline, consider expanding your budget for a more elaborate advertising initiative. And last but not least, share any information you can. Discussing the results of your affiliate program would not only lead to offer solutions for your peers, but may even lead to collaboration. Number 4, partner with an influencer. The rise of social media influencers is changing the marketing game. In fact, a poll earlier this year found that 14% of older Gen Zs had bought an item in the previous 6 months based on an influencer's recommendation. Moreover, a study found that influencer marketing yields 11 times more return on investment than a traditional banner ad campaign. There are many reasons why influencers make great affiliates. Perhaps the biggest one is that they already have an audience. These content creators don't even need to be celebrities. Many ordinary people with engaging content on social media can build a large following. Number 5, leverage coupon deals. People love value, even if they're saving just $1 or $2. This is why in the age of digital marketing, coupons are continuing to grow in popularity. According to statistics, 60% of online shoppers worldwide search for coupons before purchasing from a virtual shop. With people relying more on the internet due to the pandemic, saving up has only become a central priority. Coupons are great because they're not only cost effective, but also measurable. They can drive acquisition of new customers and motivate previous customers to come back for more. Manageable and inexpensive, coupons allow you to have more control over where you distribute your discounts. Number 6. Initiate brand-to-brand partnerships. In 2017, 34% of marketers cited co-branding as the most effective way to increase the number of email subscribers that they have. Meanwhile, a Partner Path poll found that co-marketed ads help 68% of consumers to arrive at a buying decision before even speaking to a salesperson. This goes to show that brand-to-brand partnership is an effective means to a high conversion rate. All you need is another brand that aligns with your values and targets the same demographic. Spotify and Starbucks co-branding campaign to create a music ecosystem is a perfect example of this. By partnering with Spotify, Starbucks gets to create a new coffee shop experience. Starbucks employees receive complimentary access to Spotify Premium as well as power to control the in-store playlist. On the other hand, Spotify artists get a wider audience and customers get free coffee when they subscribe to Spotify Premium. Overall, it's a win-win situation for both brands. Number 7. Build your own affiliate program. You might start out as a merchant in an affiliate network, but if you're ready to expand your business and take it to another level, you might want to consider building your own affiliate program. This would not only grow more traffic to your domain, but it would also give you the opportunity to take control of all your transactions, affiliates, and commissions. And these are the easiest tricks, tips, and strategies that you can follow to earn up to $3,000 per week as an affiliate. What strategy did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Recession Money and press that bell icon to keep updated on all our cool videos. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.